Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today, we are going to read a lesson from class 3. The name of the lesson is The Giant Panda, and it is a factual piece. What do you mean by factual, children? Based on facts. What do you mean by fact? Truth. Okay. Now, what do you mean by giant? Giant means very large, enormous, something which is very large in size. It is called as giant. Okay. Now, what are the characters in this lesson? So, it is not a story. We are going to read about facts and information on giant panda. So, about the giant panda, we are going to read in this lesson. So, we don't have a characters like we had in stories. Okay. Here we are going to know about. We are going to get more knowledge about giant panda. Okay. What are the new words in this lesson? Cuddly means soft and lovable. Nap means short sleep. Full grown means grown up adult. Captivity means confinement. Okay. Squeal means to make a shrill cry. Wander means walk aimlessly way. Wander, walk, aimless way, stroll. Bleat meaning weak cry made by a sheep or a goat. Okay. Now, let us see the grammatical knowledge of this lesson. So, the writer in this lesson, they have given you helping verbs. Okay, what are helping verbs? Helping verbs are also called as auxiliaries. Okay, auxiliaries are divided into two. Primary, modal. Primary auxiliary is be forms, have forms, do forms. Be forms, have forms, do forms come under primary auxiliaries. And what are be forms, children? Be forms are is, are, am. These three are called as be forms. What are have forms? Have, has, had are called as have forms. And what are do forms? Do, did, does are called as do forms. So, all these three come under primary auxiliaries. And we have the second one, modal auxiliaries. What are modal auxiliaries? Shall, will, may, can. These four are called as modal auxiliaries. Okay. Now, let us start the lesson. In this lesson, we are going to see some important facts about giant panda. So, you can see in this picture, children, there are kinds of bears. Okay, you can see in this picture. See, different bears. Okay, different in color as well as in size. Okay, they live in several regions. Some live in hot regions, some live in cold regions. Okay. Now, let us start the lesson. There are 8 different types of birds on the planet. Birds live in North America, South America, Europe and Asia. Giant pandas are found only in China. There are probably only about 1,000 giant pandas left in the world. So, due to pollution, the animals, the rare animals are dying, children. So, we have to plant more and more trees and we have to control pollution. And we have to discard some usages. The usage of plastic, the usage of some electronic items. Okay, we have to use them in less so that the pollution becomes less and the animals can live happily. So due to the increase in pollution, some rare animals are dying. We have to protect them. Okay. Now let us see the lesson in question form. Okay, question and answer. The lesson is in a question and answer form. Let us see. What are giant pandas? Giant pandas are black and white Chinese birds. Female pandas are called sows. Males are called boars. And baby pandas are called cubs. The panda is a symbol of peace in China. So pandas, the white pandas, black and white pandas, which are a symbol of peace in China. And the male pandas are called as boars and the female pandas are called as sows. And the small baby ones are called as cubs. Okay. What do pandas look like? How the pandas? What are the features of pandas? Pandas are large and have big heads and heavy bodies. Their ears are round and their tails are short. The Chinese call the panda the giant cat bear because they have cat-like eyes. Pandas have sharp eyes and can see very well. So, what the Chinese call pandas, children? Giant cat bear. They call the panda as giant cat bear. Okay, and their eyes are like cats, so they can see anything clearly. Okay, giant pandas are mainly white. However, they have black patches around the eyes, ears, shoulders, chest, legs and feet. They live in snowy and rocky places. Their black and white coloring helps them to hide from enemies. Pandas have very thick, oily, woolly fur that keeps them warm in the cold and wet mountains. So some pandas live in cold climates. So the woolly fur which is there on their skin protects them from wetter, cold climates. Okay, and it is black. There are black and white patches on its body. Its body is completely white in color, but the black patches are there on its body. So the white and black color shades on its body protect panda from its enemies. Okay. How big are giant pandas? A full grown male panda can be about 6 feet tall and weigh up to 115 kilograms. Females are smaller. While many people think pandas are cuddly and sweet, they can be as dangerous as any other birds. So some people think that the pandas, okay, the pandas are very cute and they are very timid. They won't cause any danger to others. But actually they are very dangerous because what is the size, what is the height of the giant panda? 6 feet. And what is the weight of the giant panda? 115 kilograms. So it is very dangerous, like a normal bear. Okay. Let us go to the next question. How do pandas move? So how do they move? Pandas are good climbers, so they can climb any tree. Okay. Sometimes they take an afternoon nap high up in the trees. They use their short claws to hold on the bark of trees. Pandas cannot run fast. So pandas cannot run fast, but their claws can hold any trunk of a tree, and they can climb any tall tree, and they take nap. What do you mean by nap, children? Short sleep. So they take nap on the branches of the trees. Okay. Let us see section 2. What do pandas eat? In the wild, pandas only eat bamboo. Pandas have to eat a lot of food to stay healthy. They eat 10 to 20 kilograms of bamboo every day. There are very few bamboo forests left today, so many wild pandas are short of food. Soon we may find that there are no pandas left in the world. So a panda needs 10 to 20 kilograms of bamboo every day. So they have to eat. But what happened now? Because of clearing of the forest by the humans, there are less bamboo trees left. So the pandas are not able to eat properly. Okay, so they need 10 to 20 kilograms of food every day. They have to eat 10 to 20 kilograms of bamboo. But the bamboo trees are disappearing day by day. So the pandas are getting less food to eat. If they get less food to eat, what will happen to the pandas, children? They will die. Okay. In zoos, in other centers where they are taken care of, pandas eat bamboo, rice, cereals, and carrots, apples and sweet potatoes. The pandas' front paws are not like the paws of other animals. They have a thumb. They use their paw to hold their food, bamboo shoots and leaves. So their paws are not like, the front paws are not like other animals. Okay, they have a fat thumb in their front paws. With that paws, they will hold the stick of the bamboo and they will eat the bamboo stick, children. Okay, and they eat the shoots and leaves of the bamboo. You can see in this picture, children, how the bamboo is eaten by panda. Okay. So in the zoos, the pandas are given potatoes, cereals and rice, carrots, apples. Those food is added along with bamboo. Okay. How long do pandas live, children? Giant pandas live for about 35 years. So giant pandas' lifespan is 35 years. Sometimes they live longer in captivity than in the wild. So what do you mean by wild here, children? Forest. If they live in forest, they live for 35 years. And if they live in captivity, what do you mean by captivity? If they live in zoos and parks which are taken care of by the people, they will give more healthy food to pandas. And they can live even more longer than 35 years. Okay. What sounds do pandas make? See the next question, children. What sounds do pandas make? Pandas mostly keep silent. They bleat when they communicate in a friendly manner. What do you mean by bleat, children? A cry. Usually we hear from sheep and goats. The same sound, cry, we hear from pandas too. Okay. And pandas mostly keep silent. They rarely make sounds. They bark to scare away an enemy. So they bark to scare away the enemy. When they are in pain, they squeal. What do you mean by squeal? To make a shrill sound. Okay. When they are in pain, they squeal. Okay. See the last question, children. Who A giant panda have very few natural enemies. One of them is the snow leopard. It can catch a baby panda that has moved away from its mother. Sometimes a hungry eagle may snatch a baby panda that has been left in a tree. People hunt pandas for their fur. So who and all are enemies of a panda, children? A leopard, a snow leopard, which can eat the baby panda. And what is the second enemy of the panda? Eagle. An eagle can take away a small cub from a tree where the panda has left the cub to take rest. From there, an eagle can take away the small one of panda. And the humans hunt these pandas for their fur, okay, for their wool. People also cut down the bamboo forest they live in. So pandas have no place to live and wander into nearby villages in search of food. So when the people are cutting all the bamboos from the forest, the pandas are lack of food. So what do? They go to the wander. What do you mean by wander? They move across. They walk aimlessly. They walk into the village in search of food. So this lesson is about facts and information about giant panda. So where do these giant pandas live, children? In China. Okay, and what is the symbol of peace in China? Giant cat bear. The giant cat bear is the symbol of peace in China. And how do the eyes of the panda look, children? Like cats. The eyes of the panda are like eyes of the cat, which can see clearly anything, even in darkness. And what do the pandas eat, children? Bamboo. Okay, but in zoos they are given rice, apples, potatoes, okay, to eat. And they are protected. Okay, and they are preserved. As they are extinct, they are becoming extinct in the forest. They are brought from the forest and kept in the zoos. Okay. Have you understood the lesson, children? Thank you, children.